From Sooner Standards, Comparing and Refining Algorithms, a complete Grade 5 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 5APA01. Students learn to model, compare, and refine more than one algorithm for the same task and determine which one is the most efficient. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. New this update, a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual model compare-refine comparison chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQM rubric. Plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQM-aligned instruction across 34 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.